All right, we're here at Thunderhill West, private track day, just like I did a couple months ago. Second time out here with the Integra Type S. The setup is exactly the same except for one crucial thing, which is the Whiteline lower ball joints, which gave me an extra almost degree of negative camber up front. Now I have minus 3.1 up front, minus 2.3 in the back. Does an extra degree of negative camber make a difference? I think it should. Thunderhill West is a pretty tight and technical track. Unfortunately, it's a little bit damp out here today. Now that the sun's out, hopefully it dries up a little bit. But we have an entire day to set time, so let's see what we can do.
Next left, brake less. Keep pushing.
Did a 124.03 with a 23.5 optimal. The car's still understeers though. Even though I'm shaving time, I just need to learn how to change my driving style to avoid it as much as possible. All right, this will be good. I'll try to think light thoughts. Yeah. If I can do a 24 with you in the car, that's a good time. Uh-oh, I'm at 40% gas.
Oh, okay.
We'll go for like 3 laps maybe.
Yeah.
Next left, apex earlier.
Like I said,
126.78.
Man, you really attacked that Dorito, man. Holy cow. Oh, yeah. The Olin's just soak it up. Yeah. So civilized, this car. Right? It's comfortable. Yeah. I had the heated seats on in the morning. All right, did it back to back. 1 minute 24.03. So close to a 23. We got 14 minutes till lunch. I'm gonna send it and hope for the best. The car still has quite a bit of understeer, even with this camber mod, but definitely it's a little bit sharper now at the front end.
Next left, apex later. Stay wide and turn in. Nice work.
Damn it! Are you serious? 24 flat? I just can't do it! I wanted 23 so bad! Ah! Frustrating. Also, I hope I didn't bend a wheel. I went over one of the berms really hard. In some corners, it's an exercise in patience. I just can't get on the throttle as hard as I would like to. I'm gonna try one more time in the afternoon, but if I can't break it, then it is what it is. I don't want to overextend myself. I feel like I'm already pushing myself to the limit right now, and these tires are starting to feel it. The outside tread is completely gone. The Olins still feel phenomenal. I haven't even changed the damping settings. There's just no need. I'm just trying to maximize my own driving before I touch the car too much.